Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki shop. It's been a busy couple days. We got back from Long Island. I think it was 8 o'clock Saturday night, and then I was right back in here on Sunday, finishing that bar top. Julie came in, I think, while we were gone. Saturday? No, she came in Sunday, and got all the bar stools built for this next project going out, which is going to be Friday. So let me show you guys what's going on. It's tough being here by yourself, I'll tell you that. I'm building as fast as I can, but this is the bar that was on the table. So by yesterday, pretty much everything's done. I got one more coat to go on the bar top and lower bar top, and then the bar stools have one more coat as well. So, and then I believe this is going out Friday. This morning I ran out. I made another executive decision to make this roof out of cedar as well. This is an 8x12. So, and I'm very, very limited. I was able to get 2 people to help this weekend to get this one out. So I had to make this one pretty light. I was able to pick the one end up with one hand. So shouldn't be an issue getting this up. But this will be hopefully a quick install. There's no appliances, no ceiling fan. Although I am wiring it for a ceiling fan, but there's no ceiling fan going in at the moment. And we should be in and out in 3 to 4 hours. And it's local, so we can get this done. And it'll be Father's Day too. So yes, I am working on Father's Day. I got to get these jobs out. And once again, the shop will be empty come this weekend. So I have, as you saw in my last video, I got 6 bars worth of frames over there, and I still have 6 left. And I know I haven't posted an update in about 3 or 4 days. I know you guys are getting anxious, but again, I'm the only one here. I can only build so fast, and I'm doing the best I can. So, I mean, if I had somebody else here, they could have been out picking up materials for me, and maybe possibly getting the roof done while I'm doing other stuff. But when we get back from a project, I gotta unload the truck, I gotta load the trucks. It's not easy doing absolutely everything. Thank God I have friends that can help out on the weekend, as I say in all my videos. So anybody want to learn a trade, come see me. But as in most of my videos, it's all crickets when it comes to people wanting to find work. And people my age, my friends, we all bust our asses. I mean, we're all in our 50s. I'll be 57 next month, and no kid's ever going to outwork me. And that's a challenge too to all you kids being taken care of by mommy and daddy and the government, and you don't want to work because I don't know, maybe something's owed to you. Get your lazy ass out to work. Come work for me. I'll teach you something. Because I guarantee you, nobody's going to outwork me. But anyway, that's my rant. That's my update. Oh, that actually felt better too. But anyway, I hope you guys get a little chuckle out of that. All right, well, I'm going to go get some lunch. What time is it? It's almost 3 o'clock. I just finished the roof. I'm not sure about putting the final coat on today. Or maybe I was able to get 2 coats on it yesterday because it dried within 2 hours. And I don't know, the temperature in here was just right. The humidity wasn't bad. And the first coat dried in no time. So I came in last night and was able to get another coat on these and the footrest, which I built that yesterday too. That's hiding back here. Yeah, that's right there, standing up. So and the bar stools, I was able to get multiple coats on that yesterday. So 1 or 2 more on the bar stools and 1 more on here, and it's out the door. So because this is a small one, I got the poles up on there already with the braces. So usually that's done on the job site because usually they're over 8 feet. But this one's just 8 feet, which is legal to be on the road. So I can get this right in my trailer. So, all right, well, I'm going to take some lunch, get some lunch, and maybe catch some of the Phillies game on TV. All right, from Tiki Kev Shop, Tiki Kev out.